Hey guys, how you doing? This is Jay from Wolfpack Performance, formerly known locally as Wolfpack Parts. The guys from Facebook have been letting me know some of you have been having problems installing the Grip Royal Crest horn button. So we're going to go ahead and try to give you guys a short tutorial to show you what's going on. This is the Gen 1 NRG quick release. Alright, when you take your quick release out, if you remove this plastic crate, you'll see your hardware kit. Down in the hardware kit is this C-ring. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to take your quick release before you put your steering wheel on, compress the ring and seat it down in the quick release like so. Should be seated flush as far down as it'll go. Another problem I noticed you guys have been running into is you're trying to line up on the wrong set of holes thinking your steering wheels won't match up, but you're just using the incorrect set. So you'll find your little release button up here, NRG should be up top, and you'll be able to align your wheel like so. And for tutorial purposes, we're just going to put 2 screws in here just to hold the wheel down. Alright, we're not going to put all of them in. So we'll use our snap-on driver, get those in. Alright, just snug these up so we're not doing a full install. Alright, once that's done, you'll take your crest horn button, attach your wires, which we're not going to do because it's not a full install, and then what you'll do is you'll start pressing down on the horn button in a counterclockwise or clockwise fashion until it finally seats, and boom, there it goes. Once you're done, the horn button will be in there. I mean, you can orientate it any way you want, but it's flush, it's sealed in there, and it's not going to jiggle around like what you guys are running into when you're not using that C-clamp. So if you got any more questions, feel free to email us, wolfpackperformance@gmail.com, the Instagram at Wolfpack Performance, the Facebooks at Wolfpack Performance or Wolfpack Parts, and we'll be more than happy to help you guys out. All right.